How to fix ChatGPT voice not working. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom left corner of your screen. After you click on the profile at the bottom left, click on personalization. After you click on personalization, here, scroll down. After you scroll down in personalization, you will find advanced. Simply click on advanced. After you've clicked on advanced, turn off advanced voice and ChatGPT voice. After you do this, press on save at the bottom. Then reload the page. After you have reloaded the page, go to the same place, which is your profile at the bottom left, and then click on personalization. After you click on personalization, scroll down and go to advanced and turn on ChatGPT voice and advanced voice in here. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to fix ChatGPT voice not working. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.